Okay, kiddos, so I'm on the moving sidewalk right now. And you see what's all overhead. Sounds like a rainforest in here. So I'm walking while on this sidewalk. I don't know if I can turn around. But it looks like an escalator with the rails on both sides. And we're walking on it while it's moving. But this is the little rainforest area in here. So while I was there, there's your mama, and she was walking.
Kept turning away so they couldn't see me.
There she is. Then you walk through a set of doors
Pull it now.
to a different moving sidewalk, and again it looks just like.
See, I almost busted it again here.
It looks just like.
Mama almost busted it again. Looks just like the other. Why can't you turn it around?
Because that's how I started the video.
Oh. But look, see?
They're all like little stenciled cutouts with lights behind them, and there's speakers up there. Maybe you can see a speaker. There's a speaker. They have speakers that play the music. So this is between terminals A and B. About to get on our plane. We're gonna eat, and we're gonna get on our plane in a little bit. Love you guys.